Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily set up a new account or how you can create a new name on Snapchat. So let's start. First, open a Snapchat application, click here on sign up and choose your name. I will go with the Marcus Stone. Now sign up, accept, birthday 1996 and August. Okay, I'm going to change it to yellow jacket. And password is like whatever. And email address, right? So yeah. And now I'm just going to write here my number. And you will get verification. Okay, and they're going to send me the code. And here we go. So we got it. Now we just go with the skip, find your friends. Allow, and allow. So yeah. And this is my yoga mat. So this is how you do it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. Have a great day and see ya. Goodbye. And look at my new, you can see it right here. My new socks. So thank you. Have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.